get into your system. Kasi nga, you're a sovereign country. You cannot waive your jurisdiction over your people. Di ba? Kaya, ang kulatilya para makapasok sila, number one, dapat there is proof that the country member state doesn't have the capacity to prosecute those who commit the crimes against humanity. Mass murder, genocide, war of aggression. Yun ang jurisdictional crimes eh. Pag that country member cannot prosecute, walang kakayahan, walang capacity, pwede silang pumasok. Kung meron namang kakayahan, but they refuse to prosecute because sila siguro mismo, yung nasa gobyerno, ang may kalokohan, papasok. So, ang tanong ngayon, ang bansa bang ito may kakayahan o wala? Kaya nga tama yung posisyon na walang jurisdiction. Nung kumalas tayo, walang jurisdiction. Tama yung posisyon ng gobyerno. Pero ang problema, walang jurisdiction, pero pinakulong nyo pa rin. Inaresto nyo. You violated the position of the government, which is the correct position of the government. Kasi nga, gaya ng sinasabi ko, matagal na, yung ginagawa nila sa mag-ama, politika lang yan. Isa lang ang puntirian yan. Sara is the strongest candidate in 2028 and she has to be eliminated. Otherwise, wala. Hindi sila mananalo.
So ito talagang
politika talaga.
Politika. Wala siya.
Kasi kahit anong tingin, alam mo Joe, kahit anong tingin mo, whether you follow the Rome Statute that created the ICC,
yes.
Nilabag nila yung sarili nilang statute eh. Kasi nakalagay doon sa kanilang batas na lumika sa kanila, pag meron silang i-issue warrant of arrest against a suspect sa isang bansa, it has to pass through the local court.
The local court.
Nilabag nila yun. Hindi nag-pass through.
So meaning,
inaresto lang nila.
dapat dito, there should have been a prior case served against the president before they can come in? Or dapat meron ng ongoing trial? Ganun ba yan?
On both laws, like, doon sa kanila, kailangan mag-file ka sa local court.
Local court, correct.
Kasi you have to give the accused or the suspect the opportunity to question, ba't mo ina-arresto? Anong legal ground nyo? In other words, bibigyan mo ng due process to defend himself or herself. Sa kanilang statute yun, dadaan sa local court. Dito sa atin, meron tayong tinatawag na extradition treaty.